Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today I found, when I was cleaning up my studio, this banner paper that's matte finish. So I was going to try that with the acrylic inks and see, this is an inkjet paper, and see if that works with the distress inks. I'm going to start off with the antique linen. I'm just going to put some of this down. Look how clean my desk is. Admire the clean desk. For those who didn't see, I got a laser printer this weekend because my birthday is next week. And the boy bought me a laser printer. And I'm very happy about that. But I had to make room for it. But I think we did a pretty good job making room for it. And it works great. And we're going to use one of those prints today. This is just a stamp I got from the Temu people. If you look for background stamp, you'll be able to find it. Let's see how this paper works. It is very thin. This paper is super thin. And I'm not sure how it's going to work. Like you can already see the ink kind of coming through the paper. That may be a bad thing, but we'll see. Gotta try all the possibilities. Oh, come on. Okay, so it's pretty dry. Let me get some, with a little lifting, but not a lot. So let's continue on. I'm gonna lay down some of this ground espresso. I'm just kind of dragging it across on these bigger ones. This one I think I'm just going to print that way. I don't think I want to put any texture on it. Let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, you can see this paper is already curling. I haven't even really done, oh no, I messed up there. I haven't even done anything yet. So I don't think we'll be using this paper for this, at least. We'll find another use for it, maybe. But it's really thin. Although it does accept the ink really well. I'm gonna have to get some tape. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna print another layer of the walnut stain. Let's get a little brayer action on that. And let's do the mesh on this one. Okay. Oh, I keep hitting my camera. Okay. Okay, let's lift and see what we get. It really does stick to the paper though. So that's a good thing. I'm getting good pulls from it. Let's come in a little bit for a close-up. Oops, making all sorts of noise today. You can see that we've got some pretty fun lines through here. I might want to add some stamps through here, I think. Some little tree stamps and maybe some down here. So I'm going to use just a little bit more of this color, the antique linen. And we're just going to put some marks through up here. Looks like we got a little black on there too, but that's okay. I'm not going to fret about that. And I could probably just stamp these, but I kind of like the way they look on the gel plate. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more of this through here. Yeah, this paper is way too thin. It may not hold up the whole process here. But the one thing that you can think about too is that these are really good practice papers if you don't want to use nice paper. Something like this would be really great for just practicing and just trying out techniques if you're not making finished art. Okay. So I'm going to use some liquid text raw sienna and see if I can print some text with it. I haven't tried printing text in color. Well, we're going to see how it comes out. Way too much paint. And again, we want a thin layer, but not too thin, and even. It's a little easier to see with the burnt sienna, I think, than it is black. So got some text here from Vogue. Put this down. Light pressure for 10 seconds. Okay. I think we got something there. Cool. That's going to be a fun layer. Okay. Let's put this down like right there. And normally I would probably wait for that to dry, but this paper is receiving paint so well that I don't think it's necessary. But if I were using the printmaking paper, I would probably let that dry and put some acrylic ink over top of it. Oh God, it's so sticky. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so next layer, I've printed off this drawing that I did in Procreate, and I think I'm just going to print it over top in, this is a laser jet print, and I kind of want to see how that works with my new laser jet print. Okay, got my Amsterdam Oxide Black, and I trimmed it down because I kind of think I want to do it in 2 parts. So I can overlay it, and maybe we'll do a different color, but we're going to do black for right now. So I really want to see how this is going to print. See if I need to be double running it through the printer. All that good stuff. Okay. So, got a pretty nice layer of black. Just gonna lay this down, see what happens. Okay, it's not all gonna fit on here, I don't think, but that's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. How cool is that? You know what? Since it's already there, let's just do, I'm just gonna overlay this as well. Okay, so that's what we got. I'm gonna clean up a little bit of this. Maybe. I think I'll leave it. I don't know. Just clean up a little bit of it because I've got some, I think I left it on there too long, and this will be part of my new process of trying to figure out how long to use the laser print. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back and print this over top. Okay, matte medium, acrylic medium on top. I use matte medium. You can use gloss medium if you want, or gel medium, whatever you have laying around. Thin layer. What that's gonna do is pick up this ink, and we're gonna put it down. You could also use acrylic here, Regular acrylic paint works as well. But I want this to be transparent. So I think having this laser printer at my disposal is going to really open up the way that we can create layers, because I can draw and Procreate, I can print on the laser print, and then we can print them over top of things and make some really awesome layers. So we can continue to explore our ideas. Okay, don't like that, Obby. That's okay. Yeah, this paper is not, it's not loving me right now. Okay. Okay. I don't like this gray part here. I wish that wouldn't have happened, but that's okay. We can live with that. I do like the transfer though, and it transferred very well. I think this will be really nicer on better paper. I think I want to add something up there because I don't like that gray. Well, it's not too bad, but I don't really like it. So let's fix that. Okay, so I want to put something up here in white, but rather than just put it on, I think I'm going to just kind of draw out maybe a shape that doesn't look like a rabbit. Let's do like something like that. Just a shape that we can make a mask for and then use that. Okay, I've got my mask cut out. I put down a little bit of the parchment. Gonna roll this out. I need more. I think I need more. That's enough. Not too much. And this is a good way to get marks down without. I love a mask. I just love it because it's just such an easy thing to do. I think I want that pretty flat. I don't think I'm gonna add any texture to it, but you definitely could add some texture to it. So there's our little thing there, and then I just sort of want to put it like kind of connected here. My goal is to kind of knock that shape back a little bit so it's not that color, that gray color. I think this might help do that. Let's see. Oh, that's different. I do like that. I feel like I want to put another one over here though. So let's do some more of that. I put another sheet over half of it, sort of at an angle, because I don't want it to be exactly matchy-matchy. I didn't really want to cut a new stencil, so let's put this. I'm just gonna kind of, you can see where that line is. I'm just gonna print it over top of that. Masks are your friends in Gelli Plate because you get some really awesome layers when we use mask. It's very subtle, but I kind of like it. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of this is just titanium white, Gotex Basics. Actually on this one, let's do a little bit of the stamp. Not everywhere, just one little bit of it. Let's see what happens. I kind of want to see what that looks like. Oh, don't rip. I need you. Okay, so I want to do another shape. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to lay it down. I feel like I just want to lay it like right through there. Again, I'm just trying to knock back that gray color a little bit. Yeah, I don't like that. It's very sharp. So now I've created a whole new problem. Okay, I've printed out another one. Let's try. Let's just do it right there. It's like eventually it'll work, right? Okay, I'm liking that better. Let's come in with a little ink tints. I think I need to make some marks through here that maybe mimic, like what if we just did a, what color is that? Oh, that's the bark. That's not the color I wanted. Oops, but it's kind of cool. I don't hate it. It's different, actually. I don't hate it. Okay. I just kind of want to emphasize some of these marks through here. Okay, I've cut out a little leaf shape here. Because I like the look of what's going on here with the white. Screw that up. Oh, well. I kind of want to put it like right through here. Like it looks like it's part of that. Just to bring some of that white through there. And I did smudge it a little bit there on the bark, but I'm okay with that. Okay, I think that I'm done with this one for today. I think I could continue to work on it, but the paper is so thin that it's really not holding up very well, and I don't want to like rip it. But let's come in for a little bit of a close-up so we can see what we worked on. So I like the overprint. I think that's this technique I'm going to use a little more. And I like the text and the stamps, obviously. Next time I'll probably cut out these shapes a little better before I jelly print them down. I don't mind it so much down here, but in the white space it really looks kind of janky. But yeah, you could keep working on this. I could keep adding layers of color, add some more color in there, but I think I'm just going to leave it for now. Let's look at it with a matte though. Here it is with the matte. It looks really good with the matte. I like the simplicity of it. I like all the textures and the grunge. But yeah, we're definitely going to use this technique a lot more. I like the transparencies of the paint that we jelly printed over. It's the stencils. I think that looks really cool because you can kind of see underneath of it. And it kind of has this really nice interplay. But yeah, this one's pretty simple, but I think that's where we're going to leave it today. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video. And looking forward to next week. I'm going to be doing, if you didn't see on the community page, we're doing a 2-week 5-minute challenge art every day. So if you're going to do that, let me know. I'd be happy to, let's keep up on and support each other through that. It's a really quick way. Just make some small papers and use that and just sort of make some quick art every single day. I also have some news coming hopefully soon next week about a forum idea that I have that I think is not Facebook. So hopefully we can get this all sorted and start sharing our images and helping each other a lot more. Okay. Thanks so much. Bye.